at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came out of a Nakama noodle box from Meow Mall. You can go to Google and look up Nakama Noodles Box and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. So this is New Touch with their Nagoya, Taiwan Mazesoba. So now you know. I really don't need to use this. I really don't, because I have a pot with boiling water and I can just do it in that. Okay, what do we got here? That does need to go in. I don't think that's time yet. Okay, so it's a 4-minute. There we go. Can't believe I'm on my third one already. I feel like I just started reviewing 5 minutes ago, but the last one I did was really quick. I mean, literally, you just rinse it and, you know. We're gonna put this one in there. Oh, you're supposed to be steeping. You're not supposed to be boiling. Okay. Off of that you go. Okay. Oh, I was going to tell you about the thing that I keep whacking that's in my pocket. I got this thing. This is called a Pokemon Go Plus Plus. I know, nerding out. But it'll go off when there's a Pokemon around and you just hit the button and it'll catch it. So that's kind of cool. My wife and I are really into playing Pokemon Go. I know. Stop it. I know, it's fun. It's something to do. Don't be judgmental. Speaking of judgmentalness, the Supreme Court just heard a bunch of arguments about the ability to allow mifepristone to be on the market. That's the morning after pill. And pretty much all the women that I've known in my life have said, as far as the abortion thing goes, I would never do it, but it's not my right to take away that choice from others. Okay? The extremely opposite side of that is nobody can do it, it's murder, it's all this stuff. So, I mean, that's a tricky one. Would you swat a fly? A fly at very, very early stages, a fully grown fly is way more intricate and doing stuff, and it can be autonomous, whereas a fetus cannot. You take that fetus out at the wrong time and it's just not going to work. So, I think the thing that bugs me the most about all of it is like if there's a complication and it's going to cause danger to the mother and there's like no chance the baby will be born alive, that seems illogical to make people like there are states where women are afraid to go anywhere and doctors won't do anything because they're afraid of going to jail. It's ridiculous. It's religion running our government, and it's garbage. The whole nationalist movement is freaky shit, yo. So, look it up. But, anyways. But yeah, that's like a big issue right now. I guess the Supreme Court sounded suspicious of the merits of taking that particular product off the market nationwide. Yeah. I don't know. I feel like my opinion on the whole abortion debate really doesn't matter because I'm a dude. You know, I'm not saying like it doesn't matter. I'm a dude, so nobody takes me seriously. It's like no. I'm not a woman. So I feel like I don't have the ability to. I mean, you know, it's not my body. I think it's kind of weird that a bunch of old guys a lot of the time are making judgment calls on what's good for women. I think it's like, and I'm sure women don't like that either. But yeah. So back to Pokemon. Yeah. What's weird too is sometimes I feel it buzzing and it's not even in my pocket. It's like, wait a second, this is mind control. Okay, let's see what we got here. I don't know if this is going to be a topping or what. It's very light and airy. I believe this is just seaweed flake. Yeah, that's a topping. Okay, so we're gonna add the goo in. Let's goo it up. A lot of craziness in the world right now. I'm just waiting to hear about the news story that we'll never hear. Scientists come up with great new way for people to be just happy and nice and kind to each other and blah, 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 blah. And people are so happy and nice and kind now, it's just making everybody sick. That'd be nice. Like my wife was telling me about how she was at the store yesterday and she was buying bananas. And she went to go get a bunch that she thought would be good. And somebody literally like shoved her aside and grabbed them and walked away. It's just like, I don't know. People don't think. Gotta get your stuff. Get your stuff. It's a freaking, it's a war. Mazesoba. Okay, giving it a try. That's pretty good, I must say. It's got a nice little bit of heat to it. Tasty. With the flavor taste. I like that. Oh, we have a noodle that doesn't want to let go. Wow. Hey. Okay. Oh, plate. Chinese sausage. Spring onion. Mung bean sprout. Our weed from the sea. Some seeds. Anything And there you go. All right, well, we've whipped through a whole bunch of them today already. This is the third one I've done this morning, and that was quick. And the next one we've got is this. This is a kimchi ramen from 99 Ranch Market. And I believe this is made by Paldo in Vietnam, by Paldo Vina. So that is going to be the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.